It was 30 in my technical, so.
下一位选手代表韩国。
Next to skate, representing Republic of Korea, Hae Jing Kim. Hae Jing Kim from Republic of Korea.
Watch it, be mindful of the speakers, please, cause they gon' rumble and shake the ground. Break atoms, breaking sound, thunder and bass for pound. Trees make the thing profound. If you wanna do to help you out, make it cool around your friends without smoking out. Play the song kinda loud, it can help you out. You can work it out, you can work it out. It's like that, and we got it like that. You know we got it like that. Yeah, we got it like that. Just like that, like that. Yeah, we got it like that. You know we got it like that. Yeah, we got it like that. It's like that, cause I got it like that.
And I got it like that also. Got a style that's way out like Boston. You know I'm known to cook a nigga like Choco. Steady dropping rhymes like it's heavy cargo.
Can I kick it?
Yup, really far though. From El Segundo to Toronto. I once hit a girl up in Chicago, but I never say home unless my name was Tonto. Yup, you know how the date rate go. Kobe showed a classic example. Now they know the P's collect the dough, so they knocking on the door like we Wells Fargo. Yup, they see me in the Will I Am suit, but I wasn't that cute when I didn't have the loot. And I don't smoke herbs, but I'm still real nice with the birds. So what you heard? Oh yeah, cause we got it like that. Like that. You know we got it like that. Like that. Yeah, we got it like that. Like that. It's like that, like that, like that. Yeah, we got it like that. Like that. You know we got it like that. Like that. Yeah, we got it like that. Like that. Tyler just hit 'em like that.
I'm from the jungle, brother, and I got it like that. Yo, my life got me running through a maze like the white rat. I need a shot of Remy like Mike Rappers like the yak is a vice that got me spilling on the right track. And I like this, Will, so I might get.
The scores, please, for Hey Jin Kim.
短曲得分为57.48，是本季最佳成绩，现在暂列为第3位。
Hey Jin Kim from Republic of Korea has earned in the short program 57.48 points, which is her new season's best, and brings her currently in 3rd place.
What is you guys doing?